I just wanted to show you guys a little magic trick. So you see, this is my hand, right? Put it in this hand. I'm gonna put it in my hand and blow it. I'm gonna open it. Okay, so here, I'm gonna open it. Where'd it go? I don't have it. Let me disappear back. Boom. Bye.